and welcome to my channel. So for the month of March, I am doing Easter videos, getting ready for Easter and getting excited for all things Easter. So today I'm going to be doing tie-dye Easter eggs. So dyeing eggs, but tie-dye. Tie-dye has been super in for the past year, so I thought this would be super fun. So you're going to need some hard-boiled eggs. I hard-boiled these and then just cooled them, so they're like cold right now. And then you're going to need food coloring. You want to use these type, like the liquid type. You can get a packet that's super cheap, so it's perfect. Make sure that you do use food coloring. If you're planning on eating the eggs, you can totally eat these after you dye them just as a normal hard-boiled egg, but make sure that you use food safe dye. And then you're gonna need some paper towel and some rubber bands, and then just a spray bottle with some water in it. I'm also just going to put some gloves on so that I don't get dye on my hands, and I put some newspaper, I guess they're more like flyers, down on my kitchen table so I don't get dye anywhere. Also, after I dye them, I'm gonna throw them back in the egg carton to dry, but you definitely don't have to do that. But if you have an egg carton, it just makes it a little easier and a little less messy. So what I'm going to do is get a piece of paper towel and stick my egg in it, and then bring it up like this and tie the rubber band around the top. Just like this. So I'm gonna do that with all my eggs. Stick my egg. I'm using like 2 rectangles of my paper towel. Perfect, just like that. Now I'm going to stick my gloves on for the dye part. And the fun thing is with these, you can totally use whatever colors you want and make them however you want to. So I'm going to get my dye. So I think this first one, I'm going to just do like complete multicolor. So you're just going to basically just drop this on, and you can see it kind of expands on the paper towel. So I'm gonna do like red dots. This kind of looks a little grotesque with the red. Let's add some more colors. And some blue. And then you're going to get your spray bottle, and we're just going to spray it. So you can see it like expands everywhere. And then if you're wearing gloves, you can just kind of like gently kind of squeeze to make sure that it actually is like touching the egg all over. And then I'm just going to pop it in like that to dry for quite a while. I'm gonna make this one just blue and green, I think. so that's all you have to do to dye them. So I'm just going to keep them in this egg carton and let them dry for quite some time. Overnight is usually the best bet to do them one day and then unwrap them the next day, but definitely a few hours. I will check these in a couple hours and kind of see how long exactly they take to dry, but you're just gonna leave them like that. So I will see you either later today or tomorrow. Okay, I'm so excited to unwrap these. I'm gonna put a glove on just in case, but I touched it with my hand and my hand didn't get dyed, so I think it's okay. I think this one is the one I'm the most excited about, so I'm gonna open this one up. Okay. So it looks like that. Paper towel looks really cool. I feel like this looks cooler than the egg. It's just like a tie-dyed paper towel. I feel like I need to find a project to use these for. But the egg looks really sweet as well. It's got like green and blue. I don't know if you can see it super well. Yeah, it looks cool and the paper towel looks really cool. Okay, this one's a bit more dyed. This is the one that I just like put all the colors on, the first one that I did. Okay, this one definitely looks cooler. Woo! So this one's like super tie-dyed. That one looks really cool. The paper looks super cool too. So that's what the paper looks like, and that's what the egg looks like. This one turned out really good. The tie-dye like really took to the egg on that one. Okay, let's check out this one now. This one I was trying really hard to make purple, which I think I sort of did. I also kind of made pink somehow. Ooh, it definitely has purple on it. So this is what the egg looks like. It turned out really cool. It actually has like pink and purple. Yeah, it actually has like the pink and the purple and all sorts of colors. And again, this thing looks really cool. Somehow the coolest part is how the paper towels turned out. Like this one looks really cool. Okay, I am super happy with how these turned out. And you can get super creative and do like all sorts of different patterns and colors. This one is probably the most boring one, but it's really pretty if you wanted to do more like pretty simple colors. And then these ones are just like really cool. And you could do like a whole bunch and just make them super cool and tie-dyed. I would definitely recommend this. It was super easy. You could definitely do it with your kids. It isn't any more messy than normal tie-dye. It actually is a little bit cleaner because you have the paper towels around them. And yeah, you can definitely do this with kids and it's super fun and easy. I think kids would really enjoy the unfolding of the paper towel and seeing what they look like because the paper towels look so cool and tie-dyed. I feel like I need to find like a project to do with these. I just don't know what. Let me know in the comments if you have an idea for something that I could do with the tie-dye paper towels, or if you've done this before, if you did something cool with them. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. This was so fun and easy, and I love how they turned out. They're totally on point with the tie-dye that is in right now. They look super cute. They actually dried pretty fast for me, the actual like egg part. It only took, I didn't leave them overnight. I just left them for like 2 to 3 hours and they were fine. So thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments if you are going to be decorating Easter eggs this year, and you can like this video if you like tie-dye, and I will see you guys in my next Easter video. Goodbye.